like they were having some tree work done,
Yeah.
and they found a raccoon nest, and they're like, oh, we're gonna let them go. So just like then the adults have to step in and take care of the problem. Sit the f down while grown folks is trapping.
Pretty much. Pretty much. Good morning, Woody, as well. Good morning, sir. Let me log in here. My
Have you been
streaming
on?
software's been acting weird where I have to keep
Have you
logging in.
have you looked at Legacy because I did a post and you didn't like it? What do
I
I
have
need to
not
do to have you like it?
I have not looked at Legacy yet.
You jive turkey.
Let's see. All right, cool. Select stream. Alrighty, there we go. Much better. Much better. We're officially on the charts. Somewhat. We're getting there. We're getting there. Alrighty. Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, Steve, or a
Oh my goodness,
boxer.
Steve.
Where we want to say today. Good
Jimmy
morning,
P.
Woody. Third time's a charm. Yes, sir, it is. Good morning, everybody. Today, we're gonna make some money. Hopefully, no rushing. Just taking our time today. We're currently below the VWAP, gentlemen. So we already know when we're below that VWAP, first pattern we're looking for are the bear flags. Tomorrow we do have FOMC, and today we have news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news today. So we're going to see what the market gives us this morning. Massive drop from between yesterday and today. We came down from the 800s all the way down for the overnight session. Almost, yep. We came all the way down back to the 600. So this 600 level, for the past little bit, we've been hanging it out around it. So let's see what we actually get. Are we finally going to lose that 600 and waterfall down, or are we going to push up? That's the $1,000,000 question for the day.
What do
I
you
am
feel?
slightly. I got the hood up, everything like that. I strained my eyes yesterday, and
What were you doing? Looking at a tomahawk steak?
I ate the tomahawk steak last night, but I don't always wear these blue light glasses, and when I don't wear them over time, I strain my eyes, sadly. So it's annoying. It's annoying. So that's what I'm
Don't
dealing
be
with
annoyed.
today. But we're going to push through and get it done. Is the audio and everything good for you guys? Just want to make sure you guys are.
It
It's
sounded
sounding
good.
crispy for y'all. Yeah, perfect. Huh? Oh, thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I don't think you're my baby, Steve. Just saying. Just saying. My girl said you guys can meet outside if you guys need a fight. You know what I'm
Right. She didn't
saying?
know. She didn't know our like. We've been knowing each other forever, man. We're not gonna fight.
Alrighty. Look at this. We're we're back in the 500s. Wish this stuff would wait till maybe like market open. That'd be kind of nice. But the market's going to do what the market wants to do.
That's right. We just gotta keep our eyes peeled. Don't chase it.
Not chasing. We're waiting for that A++ setup. Woody, what's so funny, bro? I already know why you're laughing, so.
Well, you want to tell the rest of the class, or do I just have to guess?
No, because of my girl. That's why he's laughing. Because of what she said. Woody,
What
was that?
I said moose.
Oh, good morning, Moose.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm tired. I'm feeling tired today, but we're here.
Hey, I just saw Steve's post from yesterday. On the what do you call it?
In the group?
In the group, there you go.
There we go.
That was a hard word for me to remember. on the group. Congrats.
Hey! Go ahead, Steve. I'm looking at it right now.
That's awesome.
Transfer is on its way.
Yeah, it's like one business day, so.
Okay.
That's good. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's me using that's the account with my own money, so I gotta wait through all these hoops, so I could work it up to a certain thing, pull it. I know that there's a risk there of me holding my own money, but.
You did a what's it called account? What is that?
This is a Tradeovate brokerage account.
I don't know. Oh,
yeah,
no. Your own money.
He put his own money.
Yeah. How much did you start with?
I started with 300.
Nice. That's good.
But it just depends on how aggressive you want to go. So I've been trading up the minis or micros.
Yeah.
But it just the way I figure that is if I can hit it weekly, get a little something, and then work on the longer plan. You know what I mean? It's just nice to get the cash.
No, 100%. That's awesome. That's awesome.
I have a set ATMs set over there, kind of like your growth account, where I can't tilt it. It will it'll shut off and say no until tomorrow, and I'd have to undo the settings, but I'm very cautious of it because I'm treating it like real money. So
well, it is real money.
Well, yeah, no, but you know what I mean. It's
yeah.
But in the end, it's been a really good experience.
But when that money hits your bank account doesn't matter how much it is, it'll automatically help you with your trading because it makes it real.
This is proof positive that there's a guy that's named Duane. He doesn't like my posts.
I didn't see your post. I was not looking at that. I apologize. I need to figure out my notifications because they have not been going off for the community stuff.
Well, what I'd like to suggest for the community is I think that, being the leader of it, we got to get some. I would love to see, some more interaction in the group. Just start to do some basic stuff to, get people to post on different things, polls, stuff like that, just to get that interaction going. Because a lot of people are not on it enough.
On here? You mean on the?
No, the community. On the posts and everything.
Yeah, just kind of have it. Just get people in the habit of checking in and just make it richer for everybody.
I completely agree.
We have 1 minute to go. Oh, we're below the 21 EMA, and we're way below the VWAP. And here's Duane wearing a hood. He's going out in the snow later. Where are you at, Duane? Cleveland?
Nope, I'm in Florida. No snow here. No snow here. But I will be in the snow later this month.
He's practicing. He looks like the kid from the Christmas Story. You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
You'll shoot your eye out. That's funny. Man, I haven't seen that movie in a long time.
Well, Woody, you're going to perform well today. Only positive thoughts, sir. Only positive thoughts.
All right, 10 seconds till we go.
10 more seconds. I'm going to be patient today. Easier said than done, like yesterday, but we're just gonna wait. We're gonna see what we get from the market because we try to make some money a day. Yes, I said money. We are well below that close. 706.75 is the close from yesterday. I took an ibuprofen 800, so knock that headache right out.
Damn.
I did go to the eye last night. I did eat tomahawk on all yours behalf. It was delicious, by the way.
That's awesome.
It looked good.
It tasted even better.
Yeah, I like that clip you showed of Moose's trailer, but I don't know where he did it because I saw it once and then it like disappeared. Was it like a story or something?
Yeah, that would have been a story on Facebook. Playing at the 600. Alrighty. There we go. Losing that 600 level. We got a pivot point below us. Oh, this is so tempted, boys. I'm not going to lie. This is tempted. Almost touched the pivot right there. We have news at 10 o'clock today. Tomorrow, FOMC as well.
Yeah, what time is tomorrow's news?
Tomorrow's news? Let me thank you
don't
for
worry about it.
distracting
You can
me.
tell us. No,
Because I should not be trying to take a trade right now. Let me come look over here.
It tried to go down and then it like jumped back up, so you just relax.
All right, tomorrow, 2 o'clock tomorrow, 2 o'clock. So it'll be happening when I'm not on the charts. But there's FOMC tomorrow. A good time to pass some evals. That's not financial advice either. Just saying.
This is so at 2 o'clock it's gonna rock the FOMC.
Yeah, it'll be very volatile. So probably around like 2:33, that's when all the action's really gonna be happening.
Duane will be wearing his blue hoodie and he'll be like passing 8 evals.
Not 8. Well, I'm not going to be on the charts at that time. If it moves during the morning session, I'll try getting something past. But there's the pivot point.
Ooh, pivot.
I want to see his build out a nice little flag down here.
It's sitting at the very low of the day range. So if you're striving to the box, it's kind of interesting, you know. But this 15 minutes becomes part of the box, but there's a lot of resistance there because of yesterday's work.
Yeah.
And the previous was just a little above, so there's like some serious resistance in the zone.
Tomorrow night we'll have the training 7 o'clock officially. We're gonna bang that out and we're gonna get you guys seeing the momentum way differently tomorrow. Hopefully, that's what I'm excited for.
Because Wednesday is like my date night, so I might not be here, but I'll have to
It'll be recorded. It will be recorded, so you'll be able to just do the playback.
Just know that, like, I'm not going to the eye, but it's like we'll be probably out.
Hey, no shame in that. Like, the eye was nice last night, but it was a Monday, so the vibe was slightly different. They didn't have the show going on or anything like that. They only had the shows Thursday through Sunday. So now we know.
Probably just because it's just you have the entertainment staff kind of.
Yep, they need a break too. And early in the week for those type places, it's always slower anyways. So good morning, Jordan. Good morning, G. I want to see if we build a bear flag right here.
Hey, G, look
Huh?
at the box, sucker.
Good, man. Be good. Still what?
It's right at the box.
Jimmy T. I know that's you, Steve.
Right. Job, turkey.
I know it's Steve. I pulled up like, who's this? Damn. I see they did a big drop and open.
Yeah. It was a decent little drop. It was decent.
Hey, but you see, I pulled up my day range and it stopped right at the edge, baby.
Right at that box. You seen it, right?
Yeah, I'm watching it right now.
And
Right now.
It popped back up.
That's right.
But I don't know. I think it may go down.
Well, that's why we got to see what this opening momentum does. So
If we lose the pivot,
but like, I mean, yesterday and here it's hitting at the same thing, and I'm looking at the previous 2 days ago, and it was just a little above. So there is some resistance there.
let's see. I'm going back on the charts right now, seeing where we may end up going.
Well, look at like a 24-hour candles, and then you'll see what I'm looking at.
Day candle, you still on the day?
Yeah, because I got like.
Well, it could go lower though. It could go lower. It's been.
Well, yeah.
Just tap that 21 EMA right there.
Yep.
Less than 10 minutes for the 15-minute range to be completed. Patiently waiting here. Proud of myself. I have not taken a trade yet.
Yeah, but you just call it making money. So I made some money, but I haven't taken a trade.
Wicks look kind of mean. Well, those bottom wicks are letting us know there's buying pressure down here, so definitely don't want to go against everybody all at once. I'll tell you that. Welcome everybody. For everyone that's new to the class, hopefully you're having a good Tuesday so far. We're waiting for this 15-minute range to be completed so we can execute some trades here. And we're just monitoring the markets. Bulls are pushing. We're heading up to that VWAP. VWAP touch is coming.
The school just like messaged me and said my son is absent today, and I look on his GPS, he's at school. So these dimwits.
That's not good.
I know, but I'm looking, and he's at Lake Brownlee High School. Like, was he ditching inside the school? I mean, whoa, look at me! I'll go to English class instead. Like, come on.
No, I picked my son up the other day from school end of last week. And my son goes to after school. He likes going to the Y. So we picked him up, and mom goes in the front office looking for her son. Like, oh, my son never came home. He's not answering like we can't find him, you know. So they go searching in the school. He was like in the school with a teacher doing something for a class, like training or like prepping for like Christmas play or something. The mom of them forgot. I'm like, Jesus. Like you can't be forgetting stuff like that because the dad was calling the cops. Like it was a whole thing.
The worst thing that ever happened to me, okay, because as a father of 4 children, it was in my other house. Or hanging out, and all of a sudden I can't find that Steve, like Junior, which is now 23, but I couldn't find him anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm looking through the whole house, getting ready to call the sheriff, and he had went into the laundry room, and we had these racks that were just kind of like to store towels and stuff, and he climbed up on top of that, and he put a towel over himself, and he was laying on towels, so it was like a bunk. But I mean, it was like literally like 5 minutes of just like, like,
panic.
What happened?
Yeah.
I'm there, I'm there, I'm armed. It's like, it'd have to be a CIA operation to somebody come in, but I couldn't find him, and there it was.
It's hilarious. Well, not hilarious now, looking back at it.
Yeah.
But not hilarious in the moment, I know that.
In the moment, it was not as much fun as it seems, but, when I was, like, thinking about it, it's like, that's actually pretty clever. It's like, just crashed out and then sleeping, doing that kid sleep thing. So I'm calling for him. He doesn't even hear it,
Yeah.
Like,
the joys of being a parent. The joys of being a parent.
Oh, ain't it amazing?
Never a dull moment, I'll tell you that. All right, so right now we're pinned between the VWAP and the 21 EMA. We got 3 more minutes for this 15-minute range to be completed. We have news at 10 o'clock. So we're being patient today, people. Being patient.
What? That's not a bird. That's black oil. Black sea oil. No, shot? Oh, no, buddy. It's almost done though. It's done.
For me personally, I'll probably wait till we get below the 600 to take a short. Not trying to get chopped up. As a Prince of Bear flag right there on the 1 minute.
But it's looking like a bull on the 5.
I'm looking at that as well.
Right under that pivot too. A little bit. That 710. Probably like a couple.
My pivot's down at 561 for below.
Yeah,
well, 560.
That back. I'm looking at the 560, 560.75.
You just scared me. I'm like, oh, pivot point. What's wrong with my charts?
Yeah, like G's talking like that's not even on my chart. It's so high up. I'm like, what's he got there?
What indicators do you have, sir? Like, let us know.
Another topic day.
Well, tomorrow the market's going to move a lot. Tomorrow afternoon for FOMC. I will not be trading it. So.
Why?
I'm not going to be home.
Oh.
He's gonna be out dancing.
I'm gonna be out there dancing. You guys caught me. You guys caught me. I'm gonna be out there dancing, so I can't trade tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon. We will trade in the morning though. Come on, baby. Let's see what we get here. Come on, Betsy. Let's get below this 21 EMA. Let's lose this 21. And right now, we're like close to the middle of the 15-minute range as well. So it's like, ugh. Just gotta be patient. All right, 9:45. $30 more seconds for that full range to be completed.
But unless it shoots, you got your range right now. It's got to be like a
Yeah, I'm just waiting to see if we get below this, the middle of this 15 or not, of the range.
Just think of it. I said, look at me, Duane.
Let me not put a line on the chart because then we'll be taking off like a rocket ship. Getting all tongue tied today. Ugh. All right.
Call the bow. Tell me what you're thinking.
Until we get below the VWAP or below the 21 EMA.
Below the VWAP, we are below the VWAP.
Well, I'm at above. I apologize. Above
Okay.
until we get above the VWAP or below this 21.
Between you and G right now, I am so confused. It's like, look for 710. We're trading 710. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go out and do some errands. I'll be back. I mean, that's cool and that's great advice, but you know, I got an hour to kill before that happens, so I'll see you later.
I just want to get below that 600 level for a short.
Oh, see that. And then Marlon Wayans is coming back on Instagram too. You about to say something, Charlie?
I was saying, how come nobody ever said that when it's white producers? Like TMZ did docs on Diddy, there was docs on Hulu.
Oh my God, who's that? Moose.
What up, white producers?
I'm watching something on
Diddy.
Instagram on Hot 97.
Oh.
No,
Talking about that Diddy shit.
huh?
We're sitting right at the middle of this 15-minute range.
Hey, talk about
Right at
Diddy.
the middle. Waiting until we get below that 600. Waiting until we get below that 600. Come on, baby. Give us something here. We got news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news today.
10 o'clock news today?
Yes, sir.
Hey. Yeah.
That's gonna be hard.
10 o'clock news today?
Today.
Twiddling my thumbs over here, literally, because not trying to get chopped up in this current price action.
Well, there's something I'm trying to remember. The one of the rules that we had about the middle.
Do not diddle in the middle, people.
Okay, I was gonna get my fiddle out, so it's don't diddle in
Not the fiddle.
Don't fiddle in the middle.
Woody with a do not diddle in the middle twiddle. Love it. Love it. Looking like they're trying to do another bear flag. Somewhat, but we got those wicks. We got those buying wicks. I did put a line on the chart, so we may start pushing up now. So let's see what we
Hey,
get.
thank you for that because I was about to go to sleep. Thank you, Duane, for starting the market.
You're welcome. Least I could do. Least I can do for you guys. I know I'm not as talkative today. Your boy strained his eyes yesterday. So I've been dealing with a headache. I did take an ibuprofen 800. It knocked it up, but there's a little bit of the remnants left of the headache. So
the remnants of the headache. Come on, man.
The remnants.
Look, you know why I'm here. I'm security. I'm here to reserve and report. I'm going to report that. We're not here to enforce. We're here to observe and report. No.
This is going to play right here. I want to take it short, but we're above that 600. We're above that 600, and we're right here at the middle of this range.
Don't twiddle in the middle.
We're not going to twiddle.
I'm gonna drink my pre-workout.
Yeah, he does that.
That'll wake you up.
Yeah, he does that before every trading session. Give me a cup of cut and jack. It's like scratching his neck. It's very brutal. What are you working today, Duane?
If I go to the gym, I'll be doing chest and tries today.
Excuse me?
If I go to the gym today, I'll be doing chest and tries. If I.
Okay, less than 10 minutes to news, just pointing that out. 7 minutes.
Thank you for that call out, sir.
Yeah, thank you for calling you out on the gym, too, Turkey.
Well, I definitely want to go. It's just not trying to deal with a headache while working out. That's all.
Moose is pressing his desk as he's waiting for the thing. That's the way you need to be. That's the killer mentality right there.
Actually, I'm not pressing. I'm just walking away because I'm on the same boat as Duane. Maybe I press this little button right here.
I'm ready to just trade and we gotta get something. We're not just trading and trade here. We're trading and make some money.
Money.
Just like Steve, who just got a payout yesterday. So good job, Steve.
Thank you. Getting paid.
Getting paid.
Money coming.
Yes, sir. Right back down here to the 600, close to that 600 level. Lots of resistance in this area. So it is what it is, people. It is what it is.
Whoa, Orlando? Sorry. No, these. I want an airline job so I could use the perks.
Shit, that's smart shit. I want to work on the ramp too. What? Well, I used to, but not at the ramp. It was I was at FedEx though, but they had their own little port.
There's one time when I was hauling freight and they had me drive my truck onto the runway over on the where those planes, like the freight planes. That was wild.
That sounds like it was wild.
Well, no, because you like a tractor trailer is a big thing, right? And then you're going to the gate and he's like, stop at the gate until it closes so nobody can get through, right? And then you drive up to the plane. It's like I'm driving a toy, you know, because the plane is so big.
Yeah. Look at these wicks on these 5-minute candles there.
I'm looking. It's cooking.
4 more minutes, boys. 4 more minutes.
Your boy Dwayne's not going to take a trade until the news, I think, because he's just like sitting. He has one hand on his cheek for crying out loud. I don't think I've even seen this pose.
Listen, this is the pose of me not wanting to lose money a day, and I'm learning not to put on a trade just to say I put on a trade.
You know, me and Dwayne were talking about like sometimes you got to go back to the basics. You know, like I told him I was like, look. I like the extra not accounts, what is it? Contracts, right?
Yeah.
But it's great when you're winning, but when you're in drawdown,
you're in drawdown.
You need 3 diapers, you know? Because
3 diapers.
Life gets a little crazy. You start repenting, you start forgiving, you start making calls that you didn't think you were gonna make, and then all of a sudden you're just like, damn. Start all over, you know. So I'm going back to the drawing board with one contract, looking at time frames, and et cetera, you know.
Yeah.
No, that's it. No, but
It's fun when it lasted. I'm not gonna lie, it was fun when it lasted.
No, but that's exactly like, you know, it's just like having faith or anything else. You gotta like reset it because or you're like, you know, learning something. It's just like it's constantly learning, because if you say I've got it all, then it's just like that's when you have nothing of it.
Yep.
You start saying, oh, I've got this thing, this is the easiest thing in the world, and then it's just like, oh.
Yeah.
Literally hanging out right here close to this 15-minute middle of the range.
2-minute warning on that news.
Good call out. At this rate, since we're literally just going sideways right now, I'm not taking a trade. Like, no reason to. Why get chopped up? We are consolidating, so hopefully this news moves the market.
You don't diddle in the middle.
But that pre-workout is starting to work.
He's already lifting weights right now.
I'm making my pre-workout drink right now.
It's like a cup of rum and then some.
I haven't had a pre-workout in over a year and some change.
Please don't.
That stuff has you feeling nice, I'll tell you that. Especially the one I would get because it had the nitric boost in it, so you get that really good blood flow. Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, Dwayne, you're prohibited, please. We will never cheer you on to go ahead and get a pre-workout in. No.
You'll just hear me clicking buttons at that point. Click, 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 click. If I'm drinking pre-workout and trading.
He's like, what are you doing? He's like, I'm playing online chess. Oh, we're trading. I need something to occupy my time.
I still remember our barbershop talk that day.
Well, you have to like enlighten us, but we got about 15 seconds until the news, so keep that in mind.
Let's just say I kept asking Dwayne if he was okay. He was like, yeah. Long story short, he went home, had a stroke. Like, what the fuck? I thought you were right. But he didn't even know he had a stroke. How about that one? Listen, the stroke was no match for Dwayne. He was bigger than the stroke.
Okay.
I was.
Did you see that gap?
Oh, yeah.
So that spread right there? Oof.
10 o'clock, market really didn't move. So
It just shot that huge wick.
Oh, that ain't nothing.
Well, no, I mean just for
Oh.
in the first half second, it was just like, shoom,
If it's another choppy day, well,
and it was nothing.
want to get above that VWAP.
I was thinking about it.
All right, there's the VWAP tab. If we get above that VWAP, we're probably going to target that 653 level. That's the high of the 15-minute range.
But let's orbit at this point. Come on.
I did move the line, so the market may start going down now. So let's see.
Oh wait, you did. Oh, you did.
hello.
For me to go long, I have to get above this VWAP.
Well,
Oh, there's the
there you go.
VWAP.
But it needs to go with a purpose. We're gonna break through that range. Oh, there we go.
520 right there. 520 on that quick trade. Ugh, we'll take it. We'll take it.
How many contracts?
2 contracts, 520. 2 contracts, 520.
Nice, nice, nice.
Let me rotate to the next one. Alrighty. Let's see if we get a retracement back down to the high of the 15.
Oh, there you go. There's your retracement.
You know what I'm saying? So that bull flag just paid a little bit. But the cool thing is, what happens, gentlemen? The market always repeats itself. So we had one bull flag. Let's wait for the next one. I just want to stay above the VWAP. I don't want us dropping back below the VWAP for us to go long. So coming down, it wants to touch the VWAP. Right after I said I don't want to go below the VWAP, this thing's going below the VWAP. Should have known. Should have known.
Well, you know, maybe that 2 minute will close above that VWAP.
I would like that for the long.
That wick seeing the sellers are trying to get down.
Yep. On that 5 minute, look at the wick on the 5.
Yep, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah. All right, back above the VWAP. Yeah, I'm probably going to wait till the next candle. All right, that's a strong retracement right there.
That's the word of the day.
Sellers trying to step in here, so
I think they stepped in just fine. Going back to that EMA,
well, that's looking like a pull right there. So let's bring this down here. Let's see if we build out a flag. Trying to be skillful today, not just jumping in and jumping because I want to click the button. Clicking the button is so addicting, but it doesn't always mean you're winning. So
Alexa, turn the living room, the view surround.
Alexa, make the market go up.
Oh, you heard it? I said, I'm not trying to help you with that.
Oh man, come on, market. Give us some movement. Like watching paint dry right now. I do like watching paint dry sometimes, but not all the time.
he never liked watching paint dry.
You're completely correct. I'm trying to like make myself feel like I enjoy it, so that way this isn't as painful to watch. Yep, looking like a bear flag. Looking like a bear flag. What did I do? Oh, there we go. Yeah, looking like a bear flag on the 2-minute as well. We do have that 21 EMA right below us on the 2-minute, so I'll wait till we probably tap it and push through, or tap it and start going back up. So wait and see.
I don't like the way this 15 looks, though.
The 15?
Don't
Yeah,
lie.
that's an ugly candle.
Yeah.
That is definitely an ugly candle right there.
Like almost a doji on a 15. Man.
Everybody's waiting for tomorrow. That's when the market's going to really move. For that 2 o'clock, it's going to be moving a lot. Look at that wick on that candle. And that's why I didn't go short when we went down to that 21.
Because it's still above that, what you call it, the EMA. So.
Yep. I didn't want to jump in with the market possibly going to bounce off of it. So.
Above the VWAP.
Real tight right now. It's real tight. Patience. Patience, people. Come on, Betsy. On this 1 minute, looking like a small little bull flag right there. Just not trying to jump in front of a moving train here, because we got those selling wicks currently. So
Oh my god. I don't even know what to do.
don't do anything. Don't do anything.
My pre-workout.
I think I've already taken my post workout. I'm bonking. So leg day, no, I'm just staring at this chart moving like I feel like we're trading. This is Duane Broom's 3 a.m. session.
Pretty much. Pretty much.
At least that 15-minute candle is going to go away in a second.
Yeah, like 30 something seconds. I'm waiting for it to shoot up, but I don't like the wicks on that candle on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I don't like that we're getting stuck below this VWAP. I jumped in, think we were getting ready to push. I'll probably get ready to close this if we don't actually start pushing up here.
I feel like we got to get above the VWAP because it's just we're in that channel. You saw something I didn't, Duane. I didn't see anything.
Well, I thought we were getting a small little bull flag. I killed that. This thing looks like it's coming down to that 21 on the 2 minute. So I killed that so I'm not in drawdown. Too crazy.
did go under the EMA.
So this is what I was looking at right here. We had this one pull, slight push down, then we started pushing up slightly. That's why I'm like, let me jump in. Maybe we're going to start pushing because we did get above that VWAP for a moment.
Yeah, just like it's kind of like a selfie with your kids. So like, okay, you get it, goodbye.
Yep. Well, I'm gonna rotate. Not gonna trade this one again for right now since the market's just choppy chops. Let's see.
I might be getting off at 10:17 because my bed is more comfortable than sitting in the office.
I understand that one.
This
Like,
is just like
This is going sideways, going nowhere right now. So
this is where we look at for your inherent amazing leadership. You're gonna keep us on task.
easier said than done.
December's always been a tough month, though. I
I
remember.
know. I never know what.
From
I'm just saying.
December. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I'm just saying December's tough because every time I'm trying to figure out what to buy Moose for Christmas, he talks over me.
Oh my God, this monkey. By the time it's ready to go, I got things to do. Jesus. What time is it? Oh, 10:30. Well, almost 10:30.
10:17. 10:17.
10:30. I had to go. Christmas season is like super busy for me, like in the sense of I gotta get in my shopping when I can, and then I gotta do my regular stuff, and I gotta see clients.
I do all my shopping on Amazon for Christmas.
You know what? I should start doing the same, right?
Saves so much time. And then you just wrap the box. You know what I'm saying? You're good. Simple. So this VWAP acting as resistance up here. We keep coming up to it and we keep rejecting. So yeah, I can't touch this. I can't. I want to. Like, I just want to hear the button click, but it's getting so tight. Look at the VWAP and the 21 EMA, how close they're starting to come together. You know what I'm saying? Like, trading is taking educated guesses, and trading this would not be very educated.
Consolidation.
Yep. Well, let's switch to music since we just went through that playlist.
Consolidation at its finest. Consolidation at its finest. What happened to the music?
I started playing, but then it stopped. How's everybody on the YouTube? Is everyone good today? Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the market. If we lose this 21 EMA on the 2-minute, I expect a little waterfall down to at least the middle of the 15-minute range, down to that 606 level.
But I
Maybe
thought the way you were talking, I thought there was movement. Oh,
no,
God.
no movement.
Oh, what's going on, Moose? Thought you was trade.
Moose trading? No, hell no. I'm scared.
I'm scared. That's horrible. You should never be scared. Never be scared.
All right, Moose is never scared. He's just, you fill it in, Moose.
You want to know what I've done a few times? like I'm like, all right, this is gonna go up this way. And I'm not too sure, right? Granted, that's where you go wrong when you're not too sure, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I look away and I literally press the button.
That's horrible, dude. Oh, I think it's gonna work.
Oh, because
Oh, I clicked the button by accident.
Yeah.
I guess I'm in the trade.
Yeah, right.
I get impatient, and I'm like, I get to the afterworld mood, and I'm just like, yeah, click, and I'm like, damn. Then I regret it, and then I do regret it. I ain't gonna lie. Like right now, this is why I'm on my phone. I'm texting. Like,
Yeah, and then somebody's like, did you trade? I didn't see anything.
yeah, exactly. Oh man. But you know, I'm tired of losing.
That's why we're patiently waiting right now.
Patiently wait. You gotta patiently wait, fellas.
We're trying to.
Patiently wait.
Yeah, I did some trapping last night, so I gotta go take care of that.
Hopefully you caught something.
Oh, I did. But I
Okay.
was like, kind of like fishing, where you catch your bait fish. I think I'm gonna use that to catch the bigger.
Okay. Let's see. Not looking at the markets right now.
There's no reason to.
I'll know when to look when you get oh, that's when I'll look. You know what I'm saying? When I hear G's doing that.
I feel, you know what this reminds me of, because like we've all been there, is like, you have a minute like in the afternoon, and you just open up the charts, not even if you're trading, but you're just like sitting there looking for the move, and it's like you're looking for the move, and you're looking, and it is moving like in retrospect, but at the time it's like, ugh.
Yeah. Gotta love you just gotta love when the market moves like this. You know what I'm saying? This will test your patience. And this will test your discipline as well, because you don't want to FOMO into a trade when it's not doing anything. You know what I'm saying?
How do you FOMO into like a foot bath? I mean, yay! Like if you lose big right now, then you're either trading like 8 contracts, or you're just like like you're walking away and doing the dishes.
Good, what?
Might get some action, might clear that wick up there in the 51, 52 range. What do you think, Duane? Are we actually waking up?
Oh, I was reading something completely different. We are above that VWAP.
I was looking at that.
I'm just not overly sold on it, to be real.
Well, there's like no momentum, so it's just like you're like in there for the micro, the scalpy.
Can't even scalp this. That's the crazy part. With how slow it's moving, you can't even scalp. Because when you're scalping, you want speed.
I know, you monster. Has the new NQ like populated yet?
Let's see.
not seeing it on my futures thing.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it either. We're creeping up to this high of the 15-minute range.
Oh boy. What is the high of the 15-minute range? That'll give us something to look at.
The high of that 15 is set at 653.50.
Okay, so that was 6.
I'm sorry, wasn't trying to do that. My bad.
Man, that is the most contagious thing in the world. And when I used to work in like healthcare stuff, I would say that's the most contagious thing in the world. And these people are like, no, COVID or like whatever. And I say nope, because when I edit videos, somebody yawned like 8 years ago, and you know, and they could be in a separate part of the world, and I would be looking at the footage, and it'd make me yawn.
That's crazy.
You know what I mean? And it's just like, you can have whatever you pick. If somebody's sick or whatever, it's like, and they're sick 8 years ago, that's not going to get me. There you go.
Alrighty. Well, the Bears are stepping in right below the VWAP once again. Complete chop fest. All right, we're getting through that 21 EMA. We would like some type of movement.
That's the thing with Legacy World Society is we're not just saying, you know, we need the long or the short. We just need anything.
Like, that's why we do both. We can trade both sides so we can maximize our money, but this, you can't trade anything. It doesn't matter what side you go on right now, you're going to get chopped.
Hey Moose, what are you working out today since you took your
I'm gonna do chest today. Today's chest, but I might have to switch it because on Friday I did shoulders and now my shoulder's pinching a little bit. I overworked it, so I might have to just do some weighted abs, jump rope, and then I'll see if I can do something else, maybe triceps or so.
All right, just popped out the 15-minute range right there to the upside. Back into the 15. Let's see if we're actually going to get a push now.
I saw Duane come back online. It's like he's out of sleep mode. Did you? Man, he's going.
$10 seconds on this 2-minute candle.
10 seconds on the 5-minute candle.
Nope, perfect. Not a big fan of the new candle.
I'll remember not to get you a candle for Christmas.
I appreciate that. Maybe we build a bull flag up here. That's a big maybe.
I'm gonna quote Dwayne. I'd like to have an A plus plus setup at this point before I take another trade.
Smart
Was
move.
that
Smart move.
I'm gonna say meandering enough? It's not even making a flag. It's a meandering.
It's already 10:30. This is torture. This is honestly torture, boys and ladies. It's torture. All right, so it's pushing now slightly.
I got my $99.
Hey, you made $99 off of market barely doing anything, so.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm done for the day. Thank you. Come again. And I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking, like, should I just close it? Because I really just got in. Like, I got in right now that this candle open, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'd rather lose $5 because I kept fluctuating.
Mm-hmm.
But it pushed up to 118. I got 99. I'll take it.
Yeah, 100%.
All of a sudden he's balling. Okay.
Yeah. We can buy sandwiches today.
$99. Pub subs for all.
Hey, listen, $99 a day, 20 days a week. That's 2,000. You pass
20 days a week. 20 days a week.
Oh,
My goodness.
No, it's because I divide my hours.
Quick 190 right there. Quick 190.
You took us out?
I took a short. I did. So rotate to the next account because, yeah, got to. Not trusting the market today. And those were my funded accounts. I'm going to switch over to one of the eval growth accounts. What's up, Brett? Welcome, sir. Glad you like the charts. You like how it looks, not how it's moving. I feel you. Hopefully tomorrow we get some better movement, but I have a feeling it's going to be chopping for that morning session until the afternoon. What kind of strategy you use? Well, Brett, I use the strategy to make money. The one that's consistent. We trade bear flags, bull flags with momentum. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yeah, but today it's a different story.
Yep. So if you're familiar with the bull flags and bear flags, we trade those, but we pair it with momentum. And by using the momentum, you keep yourself out of bad trades. But today there is no momentum, so it's hard to trade. Market's just choppy. I may do a traders hangout tonight after 9:30 if I'm back. Hopefully I'm not having the headache, all that stuff later as well. So we'll see. Because between the dealing with the headache this morning and the markets going like this, slightly frustrating. Slightly frustrating.
But you're having fun with it.
I'm not having fun with it. I'm having fun with you guys. That's the difference.
Oh, that was so nice. It sounds like something you'd say, like, you know, when someone close and dear.
So that's looking like a bear flag, but I'm not trusting it. We need more movement.
We don't believe you. We need more people. All right, guys. Sorry to cut it short, but
Go ahead, get out of here.
yeah.
We didn't even want you on the stream anyways, Moose.
Later.
All right,
Take it
brother.
easy,
Have a
Moose.
good day.
You too.
And then there was 8. Or more than 8, but this is like,
This is so much fun.
this is fun. This is fun. Yeah, I'm trying not to just talk negative about how slow this market is moving.
Well, you focus on expands, young Dwanester. He's like, you're gonna kill me.
My girl's mom is coming down with her friend this end of this week, so that should be some fun.
Oh boy, yeah. I hope you and your mother-in-law, that must be awesome.
No, she's chill. She's chill. Her and my girl, they have different sense of humor when they're together. You know what I'm saying? Look at these wicks on the 5-minute. Like, that's just crazy looking. Actually, all these wicks. Tons of buying pressure, but not moving. Trading is funny too. Yeah, the market's moving funny today. And I'm like trying to not like make myself think there's patterns when there's not patterns.
It's like the 21 EMA and the VWAP are gonna merge into like a super indicator.
My bad. Reading an email from a new customer. Head and shoulder on the 5-minute. Brett's calling out. I can't really see that one, Brett, but you never know. You never know. The VWAP and the 21 EMA are so tight together now because we've been just consolidating this whole session right now. So oh, you're good, dude. You're good. Bro, are you having a good day in the markets today? Hopefully you're making money.
That was really cool yesterday. How they had that person that was from Poland, but then like lived in what is it, Netherlands or something. That's like you're getting international.
Yep. Oh, on my traders hangouts at night, we're getting people all over Europe, South Africa, like we're all over the place for those night sessions.
You're in it to win it.
Hey man, got to be. That's the only way to do this. Let me. All right, sorry to push up here.
You're freezing on here. You're like you're. Hey, Dwayne.
Yeah, can you hear me?
If you can hear me, you're frozen.
Uh-oh.
I can hear you, but okay. Now you're like for a second you're either a robot and your face wasn't working, or
That's not good. Well, hopefully you all can hear me now.
oh yeah. I mean, I could hear, but the music got a little sketchy, and then it was like you froze,
Okay.
like the live stream of you.
Well, that's never good. That is never good.
It just proved that you are a robot.
Far from it. Far from it. Awesome. Brett says I'm good now, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Brett made $400 and then stopped today. Well, good job, sir. How long have you been trading for? That was on Monday. That was okay. So I hate when I had to go through my emails to find like a response. 2022, dude, that's awesome. I tried trading back in 2022 and then I lost 10 grand. And I said trading was a scam. I was that guy because I was just clicking buttons at that time.
You never told us that. You actually said you thought it was a scam.
Back then, when I lost the 10 grand back in 2022, I told myself trading was a scam. But then I realized it's not that trading was a scam. I just didn't know how to trade. Market starting to push. I've been checking my emails over here. So first target to the upside, if we keep having momentum here, would be 25,700.25. Let's see if we build out a bull flag. That's what I'll be looking for now. Okay. I never really traded crypto. I just trade personal money back then, and now I trade props. I want to just since this is just, I'm not trading my fundeds. I'm done trading the fundeds to chop everything like that. So I'm like, do I just set a stop loss and let it ride? If we hit it, we hit it. If not, we don't. Because I'm not mentally fried from just how the market's been moving today, but I'm not feeling it today. move some stuff around here because I'm working on. I secured a new contract for one of my businesses. So now I gotta reach out to my insurance agent to get certificates, all that great stuff. While this market's really chopping. Thank God I wasn't trying to go long right there. Uh, the self-control and discipline, dude, is the hardest thing for every trader. So you're not alone with that. Even myself, even the other people on the stream, everyone deals with self-control and discipline. It's the one thing as a trader you're always going to have to perfect.
Yeah, that's a great eliminator. The people that there's some people that can see the charts like crazy, but they're too impulsive, so wipes them out.
Yep. Well, I love bear flags, bull flags with momentum. It keeps it simple. And the extra bars that you see on the top of the screen, the top chart, that's the hack for trading with momentum.
Back in the 15, it's hitting that EMA, heading for the VWAP.
Just sent that over to my agent. Let me focus on these charts. Oh wow, look at that. We're back below the VWAP. Oh,
I just called it out, Duane.
No, I know. I was just because I put the charts back on this screen that I'm looking at.
You're not listening to me. You're muting my mic again. I know.
No, I'm not muting your mic. We all can hear you. That's crazy. That just faked so many people out too, by the way. Where people were, oh, finally we're gonna start going long, you know what I'm saying? No, sir. When I say momentum, so right now, if you look at the top chart, this is showing you what's happening inside the standard candlesticks. So when I say momentum, it's easy to see right here what direction is the momentum going in. And it's selling momentum. You know what I'm saying? Where if we back it up to right here, this is a more choppy momentum going up, but you can see the momentum's going in an upward direction. You know what I'm saying? So it's easier to read on the top chart what's actually happening inside the standard candlesticks below. Are we going to build out maybe like a little bear flag or a big bear flag? We're starting to get that wick on that 5-minute candle over there. We're back above the VWAP and the 21 EMA. So, Brad, so when like the market's moving like really, really fast and volatile, it's so much easier with the top chart to read the market because you're literally seeing the ups, the downs very quickly. You know what I'm saying? So when it's slow like this, it just takes more discipline and time to read it because you don't want to take it short when the momentum's trying to go in an upward direction. You know what I'm saying? And vice versa. Right, where are you tuning in from, sir? Are you in the States? Are you in Europe? Are you in Africa? Where are you tuning in from? These streams are international, so I always like to see where the viewers are tuning in from. All right, we're getting a retracement. If Moose was still here, he would say.
Which is part of a bigger whole. I feel it's just a big shot, man. Is it just like, just
Hey, you see in that 5 minute, you see those two candles? The red and the green, you see they look like two towers?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna shoot up.
Well, we had that buying pressure on that red candle on the 5 minute. So we could potentially shoot up.
Or we could go retrace again.
I'm on my sim though, but I'm up 800 right now, 820.
Oh, nice. Good job, sir.
On the
Make
sim,
sure you
though.
put
On
in
the
the discussion in the community, your wins. Brett's tuning in from Canada. Well, welcome, sir.
Welcome, Brett.
Appreciate you joining us today. We do this Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. each and every day, trading the markets live with you guys. And then we don't trade at night, but we have a traders hangout tonight through Saturday, 9:30 p.m., where we just talk, we vibe, we talk about trading, we talk about life. We do it all. So if that interests you, make sure you like and subscribe so you can always be notified when we go live. I love how the internet connects people. You know what I'm saying? Like, so Brett's up in Canada. We had another community member who's over in the Netherlands. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love how it makes the world so much smaller. You know what I'm saying? Because we can all be connected. Eastern time, yes, sir.
But you also get like all the bad byproducts of it sometimes, but it is like on the root of it, it's amazing. It's a great tool.
Yeah. Yeah, Brett, Eastern time for the mornings and the evening streams. 9:20 Eastern in the mornings, 9:30 Eastern PM at night. I'm not too mad about my performance today. I put some money in some funded accounts. I lost some money in one funded account. But trading this market, you got to take what you can get with how the price is moving today.
That 1 minute is practically a doji. That's crazy. Like the previous candle.
Yeah, I think I'm not going to put another trade on because this market's not doing what I need it to be doing. Put it that way. And as soon as I say that, it wants to do a little pop. I trade with Tradeify and Take Profit Trader. I have funded accounts with both. Yes, sir. Code LWS. That'll get you the best discount with Tradeify. I actually need to get with Take Profit Trader and get us the actual affiliate code. I just haven't done it. I'll reach out to him today, actually.
Well, I hope, like, will you look around to see if there's any prop firms like still in the $50 range since Tradeify is moving up their product?
Yep. So funding ticks is still a player. that we can use, and then lucid trading as well. It's a little bit more than the 50 that Tradeify was normally at. I think it's like 60 something bucks for the lucid. But with them, what's cool is once you pass your eval, say during your live session, you pass your eval, you go back to your dashboard and you can activate your funded account and you can still trade it during that same session. Where with Tradeify, when you pass, you have to wait till after 5:30 to activate it.
Yeah. So if the market is doing good.
Exactly. You can still jump in on it with your new funded account. Whole lot of nothing right now.
This next scale is going to be amazing, Duane.
From your lips to God's ears, sir. I'm actually cold. Yeah.
I'm looking where your doodles are. You're not even doodling anymore.
I'm not doodling. There's nothing really for me to do here.
Look, I'm just here to encourage you to put on a good show, you mom.
Well, I'm all for putting on a good show, but we gotta have some we need some action. We need some movement, and we're not getting that. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I'm trying not to look at the charts because I don't want to FOMO into a trade.
Well, Duane doesn't FOMO.
It does happen. Don't let Steve fool you. I'm like everybody else. I do FOMO into trades sometimes.
Yeah, but wait a sec. About like 20 minutes ago, your mouth was not moving and your voice was still there. You're a robot.
Yeah, I'm an AI generated like streamer.
And
I'm actually not even sitting in an office.
The thing is, I know the real Duane Broom II, and so you must be an imposter.
How long do I stream for? Brett, I stream from 9:20 a.m. till about 11, Monday through Friday. Because for me personally, that's when I normally get the best moves to trade. And for me personally, it's as you as you continue to come back to the stream, you'll hear me say this all the time. Trading is very personal. So for me personally, I trade better between 9:30 and 11 o'clock. After that, it's not that great. So that's why I ended in trading at 11 for myself. You guys can trade however long you guys want, but for me, an hour and a half is more than enough time in the markets to make your money.
You know what? It's like there's times I've stayed on and I've actually made stuff sometimes, but it's just like it just you lose the sharpness. So it's kind of like I'd rather like not be as addicted and just get in and get out and then and have a fresh slate tomorrow.
I agree.
Because that's when you start FOMOing this stuff. If you've been on for like 4 hours, like, oh God, whoa.
Yeah, but then you're like itchy, like you're super itchy, wanting to trade, so you just take a trade just to take one. Market's pushing up, but 700 is the first target. Above that target, you have the 706, which is the close from yesterday. Above that, you have the pivot point, 710.
But look at that. It's like that wick on the one and it's like pushing it down, pushing it down.
I think I'm gonna jump off here, gentlemen and ladies. It's been a pleasure trading with you guys. Like always, tonight traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna come vibe, talk about trading, talk about life. But I gotta get away from these charts, or else I'm gonna take a trade that I may regret later. So know yourself, people. Know yourself.
Thank you for everything, Duane. We appreciate you. We understand you're not a robot. I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings.
You definitely did not hurt my feelings, Jimmy T. It's okay. It is okay, sir. Well,
We're touching that whole number. Oh yeah, we're back. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Come on. Pivot point at 710.
it's gonna have to do it without me because
Listen, hands crossed.
I ain't trying to lose money today.
Your spirit's got to be open to the
Nicholas.
money. Thank you.
What's up, sir? You were quiet today. Enjoy your day as well, man. Hopefully you tune in tonight. All right, everybody. I'll see you guys later tonight. Be blessed.
All right, Dwayne.
G.
All right, guys.
Hey, G.
Yeah.
I just kick butt, all right? I'll talk to you later.